Well, you've heard it from Rahul Gandhi speak on a host of issues, take on the BJP as the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha. And yes, his Hindu remark has created a political storm of sorts. In the latest, we have another reaction coming in from Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who's taken to social media X. He says Hindu is the basic soul of India. It's synonymous with tolerance, generosity, and gratitude. Proud that we are Hindus, how will the Prince of Jamaat, which is immersed in politics of Muslim appeasement and calls itself accidental Hindu, understand this? So, whale jibe at Rahul Gandhi goes without saying. He goes on to say, you should apologize to crores of Hindus of the world, Rahulji. Today, you've bled not just one community but the soul of Mother India. Let me go across to my colleague Siddhant joining us with more details. Speaking of Yogi Adityanath, the UP Chief Minister, let's not forget the brief reference which was made by Rahul Gandhi as far as BJP's defeat in Firozabad is concerned. And to put it all together, it most certainly has irked the Bharatiya Janata Party, Siddhant.
Well, look, Rahul Gandhi, in fact, wanted to make it a fight of BJP's Hindutva and non-BJP Hindutva. That is perhaps what was the pitch of Rahul Gandhi while he was speaking in the parliament. Now we are getting this reaction from Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. Perhaps a very strong statement is coming from his side. What shot at Rahul Gandhi and Yogi reacted strongly on the statement that given by Rahul Gandhi, in which he I quote, "Hindu भारत की मूल आत्मा है, हिंदू सद्गुणता, उदारता और कृतज्ञता का पर्याय है." In fact, taking a pot shot at Rahul Gandhi, Yogi Adityanath writes in his social media post, मुस्लिम तुष्टीकरण की राजनीति में डूबी हुई स्वयं को एक्सीडेंटल हिंदू कहने वाली जमात के शहजादे को यह बात कैसे समझ आएगी, अनकोट. So a strong statement coming from Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath. Now the fight has become who is, the Hindus have, the Rahul Gandhi's pitch is the BJP's Hindutva and non-BJP's Hindutva. That is the pitch to which, Prime Minister Modi also reacted in the House. Now Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, has attacked Rahul Gandhi and perhaps said that the Shahzada of a Jamaat will never understand insult of
Almost
Hindus.
as if
Now,
the whole of the BJP, Siddhant, is speaking in one voice, seeking Rahul Gandhi's apology and says this is an old tradition that we've seen in the Congress and its allies, part of the INDI, to insult Hindus and Sanatan. Thank you for that, Siddhant. Speaking of criticism coming in from the BJP, let's talk about the latest reaction that's come in from JP Nadda as well, BJP National President and Union Minister. He too, in fact, has taken to social media to hit out at Rahul Gandhi as far as his criticism against the BJP is concerned. He's not just spoken of the Hindu remark that's coming from Rahul Gandhi, but a host of other allegations made by him. He says, and I quote, the LOP blatantly lied on many counts, including matters that concern our hard-working farmers and brave armed forces. He was duly fact-checked by union ministers for false claims on MSP and Agniveer. For his own cheap politics, he won't even spare our farmers and security forces. Let me go across to Payal joining us with more details. Now, Rahul Gandhi may have said all of this as a leader of the opposition, as the LOP in Lok Sabha, Payal, but he was really walking on thin ice, isn't it? And given, how the BJP comes out to say there's no fact or there's no merit to what Rahul Gandhi said, he's going to have to come out with, a substantiated claim of everything that was said by him in Lok Sabha.
Well, of course, that has been the demand of the BJP. Mr. Amit Shah, the Home Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, all of them have asked Rahul Gandhi to substantiate his claims, especially, casting aspersions on the conduct of the Agniveer, speaking about the fact that he spoke about the Hindu, the Hindus in a certain way as well. All of these things have to be factually certified, is what the BJP has been saying. And the BJP president over the national president over hitting out Rahul Gandhi, calling him the Shehzada again. Because remember, the BJP is constantly objected to Rahul Gandhi trying to objectify the Hindus in a certain manner. This is the same party which came up with the term saffron terror in the past. You remember several leaders, Mr. Chidambaram or the others, had actually spoken of the Hindus in a certain manner. So obviously, the BJP mounting its attack as far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned. In a few minutes from now, the Information and Broadcasting Minister, Mr. Ashwini Vaishnav, and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, will be holding a press briefing essentially on the entire matter as well. Because, the cat has been set amongst the pigeons. The BJP actually does understand that Rahul Gandhi was catering to a certain community and probably a certain set of people. But, him putting a blame on the Hindus, which is countered effectively by the Prime Minister, that is the very, very serious charge being made by Rahul Gandhi as far as the conduct of this is really concerned. Even though the Congress party leaders have come out and really said, but when Rahul Gandhi was asked about his speech, he just went away from there, asking the media person, saying that, did you like my speech or not? So that's, of course, that shows you the seriousness of the entire issue. That's been the allegation that the BJP has been making against Rahul Gandhi. So it's a clear battle lines are drawn out,
Yes.
Kriti, between the opposition and the BJP. And it actually tells you what the mood of the parliament is going to be in the coming days.
Absolutely. The BJP has its counter strategy planned. Let's see what, the top BJP leaders say and how they plan to take this forward. Really, many thanks for that, Pal. We head into a very short break. Lots more lined up on the other side. We return with an exclusive breaking news you don't want to miss out. Keep watching.